Today we are going to talk about a dishonored check. So when we are talking about a dishonored check, what are we talking about? Because sometimes the business might receive a bank statement, and then the bank statement is written that there is a check that is marked RD. So what do they mean? Because if they are saying a check marked RD like this, so they're saying check marked RD. So what do they mean? RD means a dishonored check. So now what is a dishonored check? So what happened is there may be a debtor who is owing a business money, right? So then that debtor comes and pays the business, right? We're talking about a debtor, right? So a debtor comes and pays us as a business. So at that time, when the debtor is paying us the money using a check, we are going to record that way in a CRG, because we are thinking that we are receiving money. So we record that in a CRG, right? So then we are going to go and deposit that check to the bank, right? Now then what happens is that, so now the bank is going to take that check that you have given them, because this check has been paid by, this check was given to us by a debtor. So then we are going to give that check, we are going to deposit that check to the bank. So the bank is going to try to draw that money from that check, right? So then what happens is that the bank finds that this check does not have money, or this check is invalid. Okay, this check does not have money. Okay, so now the bank is going to return this check written a check marked RT, or they're going to say a check is dishonored, meaning that the check does not have money, or maybe it's the signature, it was not in a correct way. So the bank could not access this money. So the bank is going to return this check to us marked RD, or dishonored check. So when the bank returns this check, now we have to cancel this check, because we thought we were receiving money and we recorded this in the CRG. So now we are going to cancel this check where? In a CPJ. Now why are we doing that? It is because when we were recording this in a CRG, it means the records of our business, or the bank here in the business, the records of the bank in the business, it was increasing, because we thought we were receiving money. But then now we know that this check does not have money. So if we want to decrease now the bank, or to cancel this, we are going to cancel this way in a CPG. So therefore, a dishonored check, it must be recorded where? In a CPG. Okay, we recorded in a CPG. Remember, we're talking about a check. So what happens if, when that data was paying us, and we gave that data a discount allowed? So maybe this data paid us 200, and then we gave this data 210. So in total, this data was owing us 210. So he paid 200, then we gave this data 10 rand. So we're going to go and cancel this 200 in a CPG, right here. And then what about the 10 rand? The 10 rand is not going to affect the CPG. Remember, the CPG is a payment here, and 10 rand is not a payment. So the 10 rand, we're going to go and cancel it where? We are going to go and cancel it in in the general journal. So meaning that when you are doing this, you are not going to deal with the discount. You don't mind discount, you just mind the check. Only the check, not the discount. You take the check, you go and record it in a CPG. That's it. That is how we are going to record this. Thank you.